Hi, I'm just making my dinner for tonight. One of my favourites, pizza. I am thinking about eating healthier though, so I've tried to think about as many vegetables as I can combine on one pizza. So I've gone through my cupboards and my fruit drawer in the fridge, making my favourites. I'm going to put on some mushrooms to start with. And some red pepper full of vitamin C. I've got my cherry tomatoes. It's got tomato puree at the bottom. I'm just going to halve these a little bit. Pop some cherry tomatoes on to be really sweet when they go out of the oven. We'll have one more on there. I'll keep pinching them as I'm doing it. I like to keep them as they are. So a few tomatoes on there. I think you can never have too much cheese. I've got some mozzarella cheese, which is an Italian, traditionally Italian cheese. And as we know, pizza comes from Italy. So that's perfect. And when that melts, that's going to be that really stringy cheese that's really hard to break when you're biting into your pizza. So I'm going to place that on that bound. It's starting to look really good. I'm going to put some tuna on in a moment. And then some black pepper over the top to finish. When I was collecting my ingredients, I thought, oh, tomatoes will be sweet. I fancy some pineapple as well, so I picked up a lovely whole pineapple rather than just the chunks. And as I picked it up, I noticed there was a label sticker on it. It's come off now, but it said it was from Costa Rica, which is one of the countries I really want to visit. It's on my list that I really want to get to. So Costa Rica in South America. And that got me thinking about where all my food did come from. So on my pizza, I've got my Costa Rican pineapple, my peppers, it says on the packaging here, from the Netherlands, so that's Holland, so not so far away in Europe. My tuna fish to go on afterwards, some of my protein. And if I look round the can, it's packed in the Seychelles with tuna caught in the surrounding oceans. So from the Seychelles, I need to have a look on the map where the Seychelles are. My tomatoes, oh well, I thought these might have come from the back garden. I've grown tomatoes. These are all the way from Morocco, which is on the African continent. So let's have a look on the map and I'll see if I can locate all of these places. So, Costa Rica, all the way over here, Central America. Here's Great Britain, United Kingdom. We're about in the middle here, so I can see that pineapple has travelled a long way to get towards my pizza. We've got Holland here. Italy for my mozzarella cheese, Morocco on our continent of Africa. There, the Seychelles is an island in the middle of the Indian Ocean here, so that's a long way that tuna fish has been caught and travelled from. And then even the black pepper that's going on top of my pizza is from India here. Wow, that is a lot of long distances. I wonder how far exactly my food has travelled in food miles.